Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how I cook ribs quickly in this Instant Pot for an hour rather than using a slow cooker. In our slow cooker, it usually takes us 7 hours or 8 hours to slow cook these ribs. But what I've got here is I've got the Instant Pot, and I've coated them with barbecue sauce. The Instant Pot relies on steam, so you've got to add 1 cup of water at the bottom of the pan, and that will create the steam to cook it. And you simply put it in the pot. Take off this lid. Cover it like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pressure cook it. Wait, hold on. Made a mistake. I'm going to pressure cook it. For 1 hour, and then you just hit start. Awesome. So while that's cooking, I'm also going to be cooking rice in our second Instant Pot. Why do I have 2 Instant Pots? Because I'm Filipino, and Filipinos like eating rice with dinner. So here, I've got 2 cups of rice mixed with 4 cups of water. And I'm actually going to add 3 kernels of corn as well on top of it. This will allow me to steam everything together in one pot. That's the great thing about this Instant Pot. It makes everything so easy to clean, and everything's so easy to cook and so easy to clean. So let's try this. And this is the Instant Pot Duo. All you have to do is press rice. And it's going to cook pretty quickly, actually. So now that I've got the 2 Instant Pots cooking, I'm going to go watch a movie. I'll come back later and show you how it looks. Thanks. What are we having for dinner, Gabby?
Ribs.
Awesome. Okay, so it's been an hour, and I've actually let it go for another hour, just keeping things warm. And we're gonna open the Instant Pot. You can actually take the ribs out and put them in the oven to brown them a bit more if you want to do that, but they've tasted great this way. And here's the rice and the corn. So that's how I make ribs on the Instant Pot. I hope you liked this video. Hope you're all doing well, and thanks for watching. I've got other cooking videos on my cooking playlist.